Welcome. Accounting and Management Made Simple is your channel of choice where we break down complex and difficult accounting and management principles into simple, understandable concepts. Whether you are a student preparing yourself for exams or a professional looking to apply knowledge practically, this channel helps you to grasp and understand complex key topics with ease. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment. Thank you. Hello, students. Once again, this is your lecturer, Sam Muchai. I want us to study about accounting for drawings. And I want to ask you, if these videos are a blessing to you, if they are of benefit to you, I want to urge you kindly ensure that you like, you share, you subscribe, and you hit the notification bell so that every time we load a new video, we are able to inform you. Let's get started. What are drawings? What are drawings? What are drawings? What are drawings? What are what? Drawings. In accounting we say, there is a principle in accounting we call separate entity concept. Separate entity concept. Separate entity what? Concept. So we say the business and the owner are separate entities. The business and the owner are supposed to be treated separately. The business and the owner are supposed to be treated what? Separately. Now, if this is the owner of this business, when we do the accounts for the business, we separate the accounts of the business from the accounts of the owner. And therefore, when the owner puts the money into the firm, the business will record a liability. The business will record a liability which, when he puts the money into the firm, the money increases, so cash or bank in the firm increases, but the claim of the owner against the business is called capital. The claim of the owner against the business is called what?
Capital.
It's called capital. So we will debit cash and all bank, and then we credit capital. We credit what?
Capital.
To record the claim of the owner against the firm. What the owner owns in the firm. What the owner owns in the what?
In the farm.
The owner may get to a point and then he takes some things from the farm to himself. This ones he's bringing to the farm. There are times that the owner takes things from the farm to himself. Whatever he takes from the farm to himself is called drawings. It's called what? Drawings. It is called drawings. It is the things that he's drawing from the farm. It is the things that he's drawing from the farm. It is the things that he's drawing from the what? From the farm. And therefore, I want us to account account for drawings. I want us to, how do you record? How do you account for drawings in the business books of accounts? Now there are actually four types of drawings. There are four types of drawings and they are all accounted for differently. There are four types of drawings and they are all accounted for differently. The owner could withdraw cash or bank. The owner could go to the farm and get money from the office or go to the bank and do a check. The owner could even take inventory from the farm. The owner could go to the shop and take inventory from the farm. The owner could go to the shop and take inventory from the farm, or he could take other forms of assets. Other forms of what? Other forms of assets. Other forms of assets. Or the owner could have expenses paid for him. We could have expenses paid for him. When we are paying rent, for our building, we may end up even paying the rent of the owner's house. We may end up paying the rent of the owner's what? Now let's go to cash or bank. When the owner withdraws cash or bank, the cash or bank in the firm reduces. The cash or bank in the firm reduces, and the reduction of an asset, we credit the asset account. We credit the asset of what? Account. Then we debit drawings. We debit what? Drawings. Then we debit drawings account. We debit drawings account. Now. It's worth knowing that drawings will always reduce capital. Remember what I have done here. I've shown you that the owner and the business are two different entities. The owner and the business are two different entities. When the owner brings investment into the business, it is called, the claim he has against the business is called capital. It's called the what? Capital. It's called capital. And therefore, the business will debit bank or cash and credit capital. And credit what? Capital. Now, when you are removing, you are reducing capital. When you are reducing, removing, and reducing what? Capital. But we do not record that reduction on a daily basis. That reduction is recorded in drawings account. That reduction is recorded in the drawings what? Account. But at the end of the period, when we are doing his balance sheet, we will say non-current assets, then current assets. We know that we add them until we get to assets. We get to what? We get to assets. And then we say financed by. Where did we get the money to acquire all those assets? We say capital and what? Capital and liabilities. Capital and what? Liabilities. And therefore, we say capital 5,650,000. Then we say less. So maybe we say add profit for the year. And we say if you add 1 million, we get 6,650,000. Then we say less drawings. Less what? Drawings. Less drawings. We subtract drawings of 600,000. We subtract drawings, everything, the cash, the inventory, the other forms, everything. You add them together, and you come and you deduct them there. To get the closing capital. You get the closing what? Capital. You get the closing capital. So what are we saying? When you put money in, it is called capital. When you withdraw money, it is called what? Capital. Drawings. When you withdraw, it is called drawings. When you withdraw, it's called what? Drawings. So anything that you withdraw reduces capital. Anything that you withdraw reduces capital, because when we get our closing capital here, when we get our capital here, we will deduct drawings to get the closing capital. We deduct drawings to get the closing capital. And therefore, drawings is a reduction of capital, but we do not reduce capital immediately. We reduce capital when we are preparing the balance sheet. We accumulate all the reductions in the drawings account in the course of the year, and finally we remove it from capital in the balance sheet. We remove it from capital in the what? In the balance sheet. Now, we are saying drawings account, we reduce. If the owner withdraws money from the business, the cash reduces or bank, depending on what kind of money he's withdrawing. If he's withdrawing cash reduces. If he's withdrawing money from the bank through a check, the bank money reduces. Now, what about inventory? Now, you need to be very careful about inventory, because we do not have an asset called inventory. We do not have an account called what? Inventory. And we know that inventory came because we did a purchase. Inventory came because we did a what? A purchase. So when the owner withdraws inventory, it means we need to reduce the purchase, because a purchase is what we buy to sell. A purchase is what we buy to sell. And the owner is not buying. The owner is taking without paying. So the amount he takes from our inventory is a reduction on purchases. Is a reduction on what? Purchases. So we credit purchases. We credit what? Purchases. We credit purchases account as we debit drawings. As we debit what? Drawings. We debit drawings. As we debit drawings account. As we debit drawings account. We do not debit we do not credit inventory. We do not credit inventory because we do not have an account called inventory. So we reduce what we had purchased because it is no longer purchased because the owner is not paying us. A purchase is what you acquire to sell. A purchase is what you acquire to do what? To sell. No, so we acquired it. It's like we acquired something for the owner. We were not acquiring it for the business. So whatever we acquired for the owner, we take it to drawings. Instead of debiting bank, because when we sell inventory, we debit bank. Instead of debiting bank, we are debiting drawings. You're debiting what? Drawings. Now we have a funny one, other forms of businesses. Other forms of what? Business. For instance, the owner may withdraw, the owner may take a motor vehicle. The owner may take a what? Motor vehicle. Motor vehicle. The owner may take a motor vehicle. What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? We go to the motor vehicles account, we reduce the motor vehicles, so we debit drawings. Again, we still debit drawings. We still debit drawings account, and then we credit motor vehicle. We credit what? Motor vehicle. We credit motor vehicle account. We credit motor vehicle account. Our asset of motor vehicles are reducing, and a reduction in an asset, we debit the asset account. So we come and we debit motor vehicles. We credit motor vehicles and we debit drawings. We credit motor vehicles and we debit. We credit motor vehicles and we debit drawings. To record a reduction in motor vehicles and an increase in drawings. An increase in what? An increase in drawings. An increase in drawings. An increase in drawings. Now, the owner may have the business pay for his expenses. So, the most important here is for you to ask yourself, what are the entries that were made when the business paid for our expenses? For instance, you can imagine when the business pays for its rent and that of the owner, whoever is receiving will receive the whole amount. So we will debit rent expenses account. We debit what? So in our books, we will debit rent expenses account. And we are recording the rent of the business and the rent of the owner. We are recording the rent of the business and the rent of the what? Of the owner. And then we are crediting cash or bank. We are crediting cash or what? Bank. But we know that we should only capture expenses. The only expenses we can capture in the books of account of the business are the expenses incurred by the business. Are the expenses incurred by the what? Business. By the business. And therefore, we need to reduce these rent expenses. We need to reduce these renters expenses. So we can, because an expense has a debit balance, to reduce it, we credit. We credit rent expenses account. We credit rent expenses account. And we debit. What do we debit? We debit drawings. We debit what? Drawings. We debit drawings account. And therefore, NB, or in all cases, we debit drawings account. We debit what? Drawings account. We debit drawings account. We debit drawings. In all cases, we debit drawings account. Then the corresponding credit, you need to ask yourself, is it cash or bank? Is it purchases? Is it motor vehicle? Is it rent expenses account? Once again, I want to urge you, please subscribe, share, like, and hit the notification bell so that we can inform you of such videos as and when we load them. Thank you very much.